𝐂𝐨𝐤𝐞𝐢𝐫 will show you what it's like during a project balloting day. You'll be calling individual numbers, then you'll go up and go inside to choose a number.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll
360 351 236.
Very fun and exciting experience. Most importantly, you can buy your dream house at the cheapest price possible. All you have to do is ask. I'll see you.